Hello and welcome to the topic blending as one of the word formation processes. Blending. Blending is the process whereby new words are formed by combining parts of two words, usually the beginning of one word and the end of another. Examples of blending. We have the word smoke plus fog. Take the beginning of the smoke and the last letter of fog and it becomes a smog. Likewise, we have breakfast and lunch, beginning of breakfast, bra, and unch, and then we have brunch. Likewise, we have helicopter, airport, beginning heli, the last part, port, heliport. Then we have motor plus hotel, beginning of the word mo, and the last part of the tel, motel. Electro plus execute, the beginning of electro all and cute electrocute. We have these examples of blending. Some more examples of blending: European plus television, Eurovision; multiple plus university, multi-university; news plus broadcast, newscast; parachute, troops, paratroops; television, broadcast, telecast; travel plus catalog, travelogue. So we see that the beginning of the first part of the word, the beginning of the word and the end of another word, we join together and we turn into another word that is called blending. According to Quirk et al. 1985, acronym, clipping and blending are three highly productive ways in which abbreviation, that is, the shortening of words, is involved in English word formation. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you and goodbye.